So this is the tree I got this, you can see. Now I have to wash this before eat. Here is the garden tap. Let's open this and now it's ready to eat. Hello guys, hope you are doing well. So this is my first video about this my I don't know what is this exact video I'm talking about, but every day in 4 p.m. I just walking. It's good for my health. So the real reason is I'm working on sitting all day in my office, in my room. So I'm working as a freelancer. Today is a really windy situation in our area and so dry weather. You can see this side is tea plantations. That's a kind of really jungle village area I'm living. So really peaceful and no rush, no stress. Just our life combined with nature. You can see here is a ongoing building house that's not finished yet. I'm going this walking path. It's not much popular for people because in other side they can ride their vehicle in correct way, I mean developed road. This was just for walking path, like a shortcut. People not use this road much, but I love to walk in this way. This little looks like a jungle hiking road kind of, but it's really beautiful. Here you can see a tree. So I'm living in Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is a really beautiful, attractive country. Maybe you visited here, traveling around Sri Lanka. And I have to say something important. Too much tourists travel around Sri Lanka, but not they come visit in central area. How I explain this? So the tourists come to south coast, Colombo, Kandy and Jaffna. That's the total areas they mostly visited. But and Ella. But in Sri Lanka has unpopular villages with so beautiful sceneries. In my living area, you can, if you come to travel here, you can visit non-imperial estate, World's End and Devil Stairs, Baker's Bend and Samanalawa Lake. You can visit so many places in my area and there's no any rush, so you can come freely, watch how beautiful these lands and sceneries and eat your foods with your friends, families. So you have a chill time in this area. The main thing is, I'm sorry, I'm breathing so fast. In this, I mean, my living town, there is no expensive foods or anything as like more tourism town. As example, if you are buying something Ella or South Coast, it's high, it's totally high price, high valued. But in here, you can buy it like a half price. That's one chance for your travel cost to be keep in middle or average situation. So now I'm talking and walking That's I think too much. But here you can see, I don't know that clearly see that in my finger area, that's the path I come. There is the house that developing ongoing project, so that I come this path around and take this corner and come this way. So look at this, you can see the mountain in far away behind the trees. That's a beautiful mountain. If you visit Sri Lanka, you can hike that. So that name's Havagala. The mountain name is Havagala. So you can also hike this and camping a night or two. You can enjoy sunset, sunrise, everything. That's totally free, I think. So if you have some guidance or some friends in there or any help you can get from the villagers and hike the mountain. And here now I'm in my favorite place. I don't know my voice, you can hear, because there is too windy in this mountain area. So now I am in my favorite places in my village. So this is the path where I am going, and you can see beautiful mountain, little mountain view from here. And it's really feel this, how that I say, that wind, that sunlight, that smell, that trees sounds, everything make me feel really peaceful and calmful. I really love to come once per day, and I'm standing here and take a breath and think how am I lucky to live somewhere like that. I hope you see, I hope you can feel what I feel here. If you are come to Sri Lanka, please visit some hidden places like here. Now I am in something beautiful but hidden place. You can see, and you can there down it's tea plantations, everywhere tea plantations, and there are a beautiful mountain looks like this. So let's move on. Now about me, I'm working as a freelancing designer and video editor, videographer. So then I think I wouldn't stuck with my PC and office room totally in full day. So I think I have to move out and feel what's the world in real life. Like I'm connecting with the nature, with the people, with the world. So then I can feel what exactly is the living. There is something like feeling, some freedom. That's the make us believe we are living. I don't know, that is what I think about living. It's some feeling about happy, it's some feeling about sad, it's some feeling about winning something, it's some feeling about failing something. The real living life, I think, mix of every feeling and take every feeling to welcoming our life. Don't disappointing anything, because if you are disappointing something, I think that's the biggest failure you're doing in your life. If you have lost something, if you have lost someone, if you have failed something or failure from someone, don't think about it. Always think that happened, it's good for you, it's good for your life. I don't know, I think that's the real way to enjoy our life without frustrating or disappointing everything. Yeah, I think that's it. Look, now I am in my another favorite place. So guys, I don't know, I am too much talking and you can't even listening what this man talking about. I don't understand, so sorry about that. I'm little chatty man, and I'm sorry about my English. I'm not too much polished in English, but I can normally share my ideas with you. Yeah, enough from here. So now I move on this way. What do you think about what is real life you enjoy? What is real living mean? We all living, but what is real living mean? What you think about that? Please drop down a comment about what you think, what you thought. So here is a little narrow road. You can see the step line like that. But I love this road. Here is the view from my left side. You can see. How beautiful it is. Yeah, let's moving on. Okay, let's move on. I have to something show you. This sticker. You see, that sticker was put my friend's little daughter when I visit there. So I still keep it. When she saw this, she got really happy about. I didn't remove that and keep her reminding every day when I walking. That's something cute, right? So guys, now I am at a village road. There I am coming from this road and it's connecting to a village road here. It's not a perfect road, but it's kind of normal village road. So we can walk down there and we can connect to main road, and in this way we can move on to the deeper in village. So I chose this road. So if you see this video and you come to watch this much as long in this video, let me know where are you from, what is your city or town or village, what is that name, what you think about living, real life living. Yeah, let's share our thoughts. I think this platform would be nice to know each other and share our thoughts and bring a nice community. It's getting little too late, so I'm going to end this video from here because now I am turning back and walk back to my way. So I'm walking around 5-6 kilometers per day for my walking cardio time. So that's it. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoy this video and please drop me a comment of your thought about what we're talking in this video. So let's see you in another video like this. No, like not like this, more better than this. So subscribe my channel and hit a like button. Also drop a comment I asking again, because I love to know each other from different cities, different countries. Yeah, that's all. So okay guys, see you in another video. Stay safe, happy and live your life. So I forgot to mention, this tree is cinnamon tree. You know, you use that cinnamon for cooking. Here is the tree. This is the cinnamon leaves. and this is the wood that take. So I forgot to mention that before